Good day students and welcome to the sight read lesson number 2. I hope you have understood the first one and that it was easy enough. For all the kids I think it was easier, but for your young ones maybe it was a bit difficult. So let's go over the basics again just shortly so you understand, and then we move to drum piece number 2. Very easy. I think it's a bit easier than the first one. The only thing is here at line number 9 where there's a little catch, but we'll get to that. So firstly we're going to look at the quarter notes again. Remember, that is the constant beat we hear, the metronome. So 1, 2, 3, 4. That is a quarter note. The dot with a 1 line, it's this long. Then we get to the eighth notes. It's a dot with a line combined, meaning they both have a little tail, meaning it's an eighth note. But if they stand next to each other, then it's combined into that little one tail. And that, if we have this pulse the whole time, as you heard, this click is never going to go away. It's there the whole time. So the quarter note, it's on it. I'm going to hit the first 2 notes. It's going to be on it. 1, 2. And then the eighth note is going to be in between the one click. It's going to fall in that little space. 1 and. Bum, bum. So if you only look at that one, it's on beat number 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first line will go 2, 3, 4. Very easy. So it's better to either bob your head or tap your foot while playing this, because then you feel the beat much easier. So if you play the first line, it's going to be very easy. So don't overcomplicate it. It actually looks like it sounds. Slow, slow, quick, quick, slow. Then the next one. Rest. Remember, on that last click, we're going to rest. Then the third bar. The reason we pause here is because it's a quarter note, so it's long. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then bar number 4 is the same as 2. Rest. Then a whole bar rest, so rest, 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 rest. And follow with your eyes along with the click, so that you don't lose your place. Number 6, it's going to be quarter, then 4 eighth notes. So beat 1 is a long note, beat 2 is 2 short notes, beat 3 2 short notes, beat 4 rest. So it even looks like a ta, 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 rest. Rest again, then the same as number 2 and 4. I was now here. Then the rest. Then we get to bar number 9 and 10. So it's easy. We know how to play that because we played it at bar number 6. We know how to play that because it's the same as bar number 8, 4 and 2. But here we see 3 times and little repeat signs. So that black line with 2 dots means repeat signs. So we're going to play this line 3 times, then move on to the next one. So that's the only catch with this piece. It's one of the easiest ones ever because there's no 16th notes, no clicks, only normal hits, and it's going to be eighth notes and quarter notes the whole time. So slow notes and medium fast notes. Remember, 16th notes with the 2 lines is even quicker, but we'll get that later on in the other exercises. So let's listen through it. I'm going to play. I'm going to show you how to read it, and then you can move on to the play along and see how fast you can do it. And precise. Remember, it's not all about speed. So let's quickly do this. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rest. Then we rest. Rest, 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 rest. Again. Last time. then last line. So that last one has a little arrow on it. It means you hit it louder than the rest. So number 12 will go, then you can hit it loud. You don't have to break stuff, just a bit louder. So if your normal stroke is here, the last one is a bit louder. If I put the snares on and then play number 12 again, I don't know if you can hear that. I'm going to make the difference a bit bigger. So you lift your hand a bit higher so that the note comes out a bit louder. Okay, I hope you understand. Please WhatsApp me if you don't know what's going on. I'll try to explain it even further, or I'll send you a video of someone else explaining it on YouTube. Because there's a few creative people who use rhythm pyramids and stuff like that to make it more easier to understand. But yeah, it looks like you know how it sounds. Does that make sense? My English needs a bit of work today. It looks like 2 slow notes, and then you can almost see the 3 quick notes. So don't overcomplicate it. Watch the video of me playing it over and over until you memorize how it sounds, and then you just put it with the notes. Alright, so enjoy, and I'll see you for the next lesson.